back to Todd Family Farm. Right now we are going to get the disc hooked up to the 27, the really small disc, and we're going to disc the garden and start getting things chopped up so we can work those down. Because most everything has played out, so we are going to get it chopped up. So we're going to head up here, hook up the disc, then head down there and work the garden up. So Papa is working on doing that, and he's going to get the garden disked, and then the other plans for today, I think after he does that, we are going to dig potatoes. So we do have a potato plow that we will be using. We'll get that out. We use that behind a tractor, and we will dig some potatoes today. It's about all I know as of right now. Okay, we got the potato plow out. We're going to get it hooked up to the 27, and then we're going to start plowing potatoes. So we're going over a place that Pot was just disked, and there's no potatoes in here. We're just trying to get out real quick on this.
Is that too deep, you think? You think that's too deep? Yeah.
Okay, so our potatoes did get pretty weedy here at the end, so me and Emma are just standing here as row markers so that Papa knows where to go. So then we just go through behind the plow and get all of the potatoes out of the row, and then we move them over. For right now, we're just moving them over and making a nice row of them out of the furrow. So we've just got one row done, and we've already got all of these. And we planted 3 rows, so we still got to do 2 more rows. So we're going to have quite a few potatoes. Finished row of potatoes. Okay, so we've been picking them up. This is all that's left. We're almost finished. So, real quick, I'm going to finish this video off. Yes, it is 2 days later, but yeah, we're just going to finish it off now. So, one thing I would like to say is that if you remember last spring when we were planting those potatoes, we had pretty much a good armload of potatoes, and that's what we used to plant all 3 rows of those potatoes. So we had about a good size armload of potatoes, and we went through and we cut every single little itty bitty eye out of those. Even if you could barely see it, we still cut it out and planted it, and we told you guys that when we did it. And now you see they all grew, and now we have a ton of potatoes from that. So I just like to say that method does work. It always has worked well for us. So go through, cut out every single little itty bitty eye off of the potatoes and plant those, and they grew for us really well. So that is going to be about it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.